So yes, I did go to the RDP 21 lobbying trip in Washington, D.C. It was Monday through Wednesday of last week. We started at 8 o'clock on Monday morning, and we finished at 5:15 on Wednesday afternoon. I'm going to pass out all of the offices we met, the itinerary, as well as the white papers for all of the talking points that we spoke to in the various offices. We talked about offshore wind farms and their impact on the Point Mugu Sea Range. We talked about commercial space launches at Vandenberg and their impact to the Point Mugu Sea Range. We talked about deterioration of critical engineering laboratory facilities at the NAVSEA, used to be called Nemesis, Naval Surface Warfare Center. And we talked about the targets that are used in testing on the Sea Range and how they're getting down to having very, very few targets. And also the range clearing aircraft, which I don't think exist anymore. And so they're bringing aircraft. We talked about the need for range clearance aircraft here, replacements of what they used to have. They're actually bringing them out from the East Coast now to do the range clearance, and then they're sending them home again, which isn't really efficient. Well, it just leads to all kinds of problems. You can read the white paper if you're interested in that. And then we talked about the need for a combat vehicle maintenance facility. All of the stuff that's being done in the Mideast and Pacific has to be brought here to be rehabilitated, and the building that they're using was built during World War II and has been condemned, and we've talked about that building for many years, and we hope we get someplace this year. Since while we were there, word came through that they're not going to be taking money away from current year Department of Defense military construction projects for the wall. And I'm also including a map of the Sea Range so you can see how big it is. It's the largest sea range in the world. It is used to test not only U.S. military but other things, and also not vehicles but weapons that our allies have. So I'm going to ask the